Hey guys, welcome back to my comedy compilation video. Today again is another hilarious one for you guys. Do not skip, do not touch the dial. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share my video. And please don't forget to leave your comments in the comment box below. It is free. Oh yeah, let's go. When I pull up,
Thank you. You don't know your babe with another man.
Bro, I trust my woman.
Trust in your own house?
Bro, they are just friends. I can play ball now. Accept my woman, play ball, don't worry.
Why don't we do friends?
I wonder.
I trust my woman.
What's that? What's that?
I don't almost score.
Your baby be Blaq for his ass.
See the way he rushed.
Baby, you scared me. I was hearing sounds. We are just nailing your frame to the wall. Baby, it's all like my friends are saying, I told you we are just friends. You never see that. Baby, I love you. You know I love you. I love my babe. Now,
Don't you see the signs?
see which signs? They were knocking my frame.
Pack you with food.
Ouch! You can't fool me. What? It's nothing. We're just friends.
Oh, did I show you video evidence of where? We have to give you a game of a way. Don't go wide.
My woman. Let me throw it away.
This young man, they said they're here to pluck your fruits in our compound. Yes. Do you know them?
Yes, uncle.
If you see my baby, you go shut up. I'ma get too fine. Don't be make up.
Adam, take this drink. Show us who your husband is.
We are just friends.
You are such a fool.
If I hear saying you die now, people they cry say you die. I'm not going to ask them because I know say last my name.
Such a fool. Big monkey fool.
Nasty, wake up! You just sleep? I just see your babe now with another man for hotel. True talk.
Son, the play, sha.
Jesus.
You never see anything.
Evidence day. I will ask you for the last time. Where were you yesterday?
Baby, I said I was in the house. I sat down here. I was scared. Baby, I swear I was on this chair.
Okay, prove this.
Baby, is this why you're shouting at me? Baby, is this why you're shouting at me? And you think I want to tell you? You think I'll go and mourn for somebody else? You're not shouting at me. You're not shouting at me.
Baby, calm down. Baby, what happened?
Thank you very much for asking, baby. This is what happened.
Oh, why you tell her make she explain now?
Round 1. Fight.
Baby, let me not lie. I went to the hotel. When I got to the hotel, we entered the room. He introduced me to his business partner.
So Diva meets Angel gift card. They're the best gift card plug in Nigeria. They are fast and reliable.
Hi. Nice to meet you too. You can just download Angel gift card app on Apple Store, Play Store. Their rate is the best in Nigeria.
Okay, let me just do that right now. And that's all, baby. I swear.
Bro, answer me about the evidence.
Explain this.
Babes, evidence there. In catch you red-handed. No! Deny him! I swear, this video is AI generated. And I know the person responsible. It's your friend. You wanted to sleep with me and I did not agree.
Huh? No, it's not this. He tried to sleep with you.
He pressed my bum bum.
Yes, they will end up manipulating if you are not smart. Kai! Look at. You made a cat red down there. Yeah, allegedly.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Well done, sir.
I don't know you.
Ada, you said you want to see me. What is it?
Daddy, I want you to meet Educate, my boyfriend.
God, I swear to God.
Nice to meet you, sir. Your boyfriend?
Yes.
Mr. Ejike, what do you do for a living? Who is your father? Who is your mother?
Daddy, please now. Can you just stop? Okay. Do you really have to do it all the time? That's what you do. You ask them questions and you end up chasing them out. I don't like it though. Daddy, me, I don't care if you don't like this one. This is the man I want. And if you have a problem with that, me, I'll leave your house. So.
You leave my house?
Leave.
Don't leave, stay. I like this one,
Babe, let me get my bag. Daddy, we're going out.
Take your time. That's a pretty downstairs. Well done, sir. So you did bone.
Relax.
Now you go cry.
Hey! Hello.
Jesus. Babu.
What happened?
Is your dad a cabman?
No.
I think I just saw him just now.
My dad's at home.
My dad is fully knows.
Just hold on, let me call him.
Call him.
Hi, Daddy.
Hello, Ada.
Where are you?
I'm at home now.
You're home?
Yes, now. I'm even picking beans.
Hey!
Okay, I'll call you back.
Yeah.
Must be
There's a lot of people when your dad's calling to tell.
Hey!
You?
Babe, what happened?
Babe, I don't understand. I want to be your daddy now.
My dad, where?
Check now. You dey follow us. What is up?
Babe, nobody's here now. You are scaring me and I don't like it. Look, I know you. Let's just go.
I know now. Babe, I beg now. No.
Let's go home.
Okay, just small.
Hey!
This is not what you don't go leave her. No, they go out. For your paguasi until they kill me.
Very wicked man. I see Blaq.
It's about to go.
Case in this one is comedy. This one is madly in hilarious.
You see, in this life, you have to take risk.
My guy, risk. Take.
What's this now?
Take it down.
Are you whining yourself?
Let's have it.
What the this?
Give me 1,000.
How much you want now?
Oh, God.
Okay.
Hey, everybody.
I don't want trouble.
You calm down now, B. No, sir, I catch you now, B. If I get like you, swear they knock you, no they shame. I beg, when I enjoy. I don't shift this one. You get why?
My name is Motherfucker.
Babe.
Yes.
Can I use your phone?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
I didn't know.
All right, yeah.
Babe.
Yes.
Where is the aeroplane on top of your phone?
Where?
Explain.
Oh, that's airplane. Don't mind. It's a missed call from the airport.
I want problems always.
This lie don't give me headache. Serious.
Papa,
yes, Mr. Laugh.
Papa, I know say this man don't complain draft again.
Oh, Jesus.
Honey, what happened now?
I don't know what they do at my beginning. We can just they come from market. That's why you see 500 naira for grand. I still go pick the money. Now you don't talk cucumber. Hey, me gonna go, mama. We know whether na native doctor or na church we go carry and go in there.
Come on, go. Ada,
Jesus Christ, I'm feeling devastated.
My daughter.
Someone else is already eating it.
Can I know my offense?
You see the way. Hey, I'm very, very angry. I'm very, very angry because now it means a poor man not there for this country.
God.
Voila.
Oga, check the paper very well. Everything is correct. Give my paper, I'm at the go. Everything is correct. Let me leave here.
Bad guy. Legend. You just stand here. This young man just they tell you your own work. saying paper complete. Now what for you? Young guy, where they drive this kind of car. You where you dey, you were on your level, you don't get this car. They're not the thing for police work. You go run, enter them, collect what you feel collect.
This advice
you go run, that make they say Nigerian police force. You go they use force. You do this thing like we not go training. Force? All these boys now, you gotta show them who you be. Forget, no, they look like say na human being like you, treat and wear. No, you get where you dey. Your uniform makes you a Superman. Now him be human. Oh, you get the way you go run through this guy. How many years you get for police? You go pack the money.
But if I don't put somebody in trouble,
stop being violence that they take, they get what person need. In the Bible now, Jeremiah 142:9.
Like.
You go run and you run out. No, the reason now.
No man, what are the papers?
Police is your friend, and bail is free. For more bad advice, follow me.
Jesus!
Let's see this one from this people, guys.
I thought you said this boy is responsible.
Daddy is a very responsible man. No, it's just that he behaves funny sometimes.
Oh, my son.
What for you? Sir?
I thought you brought these drinks for me. Oh.
Yes, it's for you, but since you told me to feel at home, who am I to say no? I still make up 1 or 2 bottles to see at home.
Oh, you are feeling at home?
Yes, sir.
No problem, eh? So you said you like my daughter, Abby?
Like? I love your daughter, and I'm the rightful man for her.
No problem, eh? Please excuse us. Ada, let me see you.
I could trust this man and I know what he's capable of doing.
Bro, another piece for there. Okay, respect yourself. You have no right to tell me what to do.
Hold up. What's it with that?
Yeah! Keep on
That guy just punched him.
Babe.
What is happening? Baby?
What's going on?
Surprise!
I don't understand.
Baby, this is a brand new car. For me, to you.
Nah, lie.
You know they said behind every successful man, there is a woman. So imagine if they were 2 women.
I don't understand. Where are you driving at?
This is our new wife! Hi!
Jesus!
So henceforth, you're not going to be working anymore. Now we go to work. Now you go to church!
This young boy, who goes to them up going
Alpha, chairman, I beg you get egg.
Egg day.
How much are your egg, I beg?
Big one, 30 naira. Small one, 25 naira.
Nah, lie. No. How much you got the egg again?
Big one, 35. Small one, 30 naira.
Are you playing? One man.
Can't be true, never. Egg 30 naira. Never. You want them to say Nigeria don't better? That's a big lie. Let's see how it goes.
What if it is for me? Never.
What's it with that?
God of Mosai God!
Hey guys,
God of Nazareth.
Just released the
God of Most High God.
cards and Bitcoin. They are tested and trusted.
The guy was already in cloud 9, enjoying his life, dreaming, forgetting. We on his body, man. Let's see this comedy.
Jesus!
Look, I'm done with this relationship. You invite me over to your house and I came. You didn't touch me. You went to the bathroom, started doing soapy or whatever you call it.
Babe, I'm sorry. Please calm down. Don't let the neighbors say about this. It's the work of the devil.
Oh, please shut up. It's that devil that will kill you.
Babe, the insult is too much. Let me tell you something. Wait, let me tell you something. I went to the bedroom to urinate. I don't know when I saw that enter my hand. Before you know, I got poor. The devil manipulation is too much in my life.
The only way we can continue this relationship is for you go in there and pack those stuffs. Use doing soapy. Let me throw it away.
Babe, no need to go inside. He's here with me already.
Jesus! What's the I for?
Now I take to scrape my egg after I pour. How be juju be that? I be no sharp rich.
It's finished. Will you come over there, bad ass and don't tell me rubbish? What do you mean by that? How can you break 7 eggs? Only you breaking 7 eggs. Do you know how much eggs are? And you allow yourself to be talking to me anyhow and say that I did not train you. I allow you to do anything anyhow. So I watch your star alawi for 2 months. I will not do it.
Daddy, please now.
My baby.
Why you always calling me? How you're kidding me?
But I wanted to just know how you're doing now. Obviously, I'd like to know.
Didn't I tell you that my brother that he needs money? And
Phoebe told me that he's a forex trader. What else? He has been trading for a long time. He doesn't need money.
Someone that they've scammed him.
I told you to tell him to download HFM now. They're a multi-regulated company that they provide safe and secure trading platform for their people. What do you mean? You can trade and withdraw anytime as you want. No mago. You can even learn how to trade on the app itself. What do you mean?
And you did not tell me that one since.
Your wife come and to buy.
So many things that you can learn.
So you should download the HFM app?
Yeah, HFM. Tell him to go to whether Google Store or App Store. You log out and say, and tell him that you should use my promo code Taoma so that you get all the.
Is that why you're not shouting at me?
I'm just saying that it's bonus. So you get all the bonus.
See, I've told you severally, I don't like the way you speak to me. It's always stressing me. I'm angry. I'm angry.
That's what I do for you. Hey!
Don't worry, I will replace it. Don't worry.
Neither and beg me that I'm broken my laptop now.
I should need and beg you that.
Yes!
Asabu!
Sorry.
You actually knelt down.
Say the sorry, well.
I'm very sorry that you broke your laptop. I'm sorry to get you angry that you broke the laptop.
What about it buy?
So naughty boy, come to me.
Nigeria is
70 years old, man.
If my day break up with me today, I don't die,
You're already gone. Let's see this one from Ralph the comedian, how it goes.
I like the testing big. Chef just see those small sip and big.
Yeah, now drink.
What is going on? They ask you to drink. Just drink and drop. Ungrateful people are so glutinous.
Come, just come.
Ross, I beg, I fit see 1K for your hand.
Okay, no problem. You don't tire to see me talk.
Hey! Slim talker. Short and comedy. Very funny.
I want to talk to you.
Hey!
Babe, you really love me.
You can't question me that. You see, say at the work, you come, you throw the thing away and
So, I need your attention. But every day you are busy. Why? Let me feel love. I need you, baby.
So what do you
what show that you love me? What? Do something.
What do you want me to do?
Anything.
Okay.
Anything you can do.
Okay. Follow me, make we go.
Where will they go?
Your papa house.
I thought that guy was the general, honestly. That's how the general used to dress, honestly, I swear. But let's see how it goes. That is Mayor Frosh. That guy don't enter comedy with style. But let's see what he's up to in this particular comedy, Let's go and we can see.
No, I'm sorry, we just got here. We've not ordered anything yet.
very wicked man. I see Blaq.
Okay.
Hi, thank you, sir.
Thank you? Hey, why are you telling him thank you?
Babe, calm down.
Oh my god, the audacity of this man in Lagos. Why is he buying me a drink? Do I look poor?
Sorry, please, can
Don't
you
tell
calm
me I'm
down?
sorry. I don't want this. I don't even know him and he's buying you stuff. What courtesy? Is he trying to say I can't pay for what I want to buy? What kind of nonsense is this?
Okay, I'm not drinking it.
I don't want it
I'm
either.
not drinking it. Okay, can you calm down? This is a public
You know what?
setting.
Let me go have a quick talk with him.
Babe.
No, please, just stand aside. Just let me handle this.
Sir, you're beginning to raise your voice, and if you don't calm down, I have to escort you.
What do you mean I should calm down?
Please.
What do you mean? Are you not the one that I gave the stuff to come and deliver here? You tell me, is that ethical?
Calm down, please.
Is that ethical? Is that right?
Matter with the grand. We never said to him, she want alone, the colony said to matter.
I'm very sorry for what happened, sir. I'm really sorry.
Why is he speaking so much English?
You can be very temperamental, sir, and I'm sorry about that.
Anyways, you look good, but if I appreciate them.
Thank you, sir.
What's the name?
Rejoice. Oh, it's a promise ring, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Promise ring.
Is that the best he can do for you? Babe!
Are you angry? I'm going to kill you.
Don't come close to me.
I was just trying to talk to him.
Please, just go.
Babe.
Don't come close to me. Leave.
Babe,
take your bags and leave. Give me space.
Please.
Leave, man.
Okay.
Everywhere I've scat out. Everywhere I've scat out.
Rejoice. Now.
So we've had enough chaos today. I don't want more trouble, please.
I'd rather go.
So you just dropped me halfway. Oh. But I'm not going to follow you to where you're going to.
Please set your phone to airplane mode.
You already placed your phone on airplane mode, man. That's to tell you that she don't even have control over herself. She will do anything that man asks her. And we men, this is where we get it wrong. Somebody's loving your girl, chase her.
Who did not for you for that for this kind of time? What are you? Who is the person?
Actually,
what are you doing here? What do you want? Why are you not here by this time?
Noise now. I can't wonder why we they fight as a couple now.
We know they fight. Why would they fight?
My God, they hear madam voice. They be like madam been they cry.
He consign you. He consign you.
They know the beat woman for this computer. Everybody don't sleep by this time of. They know the beat woman now.
I know the why I know beat she say she won't go do vacation for Qatar. I don't get that kind of money. Things cost.
Not just Qatar here now. You know. I just Qatar here now. They cause fight. It never reach like that.
Qatar here. At the year 20 million, 30 million for Qatar.
Thank God, sir, I come. I be God sent. I be angel. See, now you make Get It To Me Travels and so got your back. You understand? Get It To Me Travels and so they just package 7-day trip to Qatar like this. For couple, at 5.9 million naira. And for single, now 3 million naira.
Now lie.
I no go lie for you now. See, as a early bed, if you quickly go like this as early bed, you will go see singles 2.750. Then couple just 5.4 million naira.
No. That money is just for the vacation. You no cover flight now.
It cover your visa, it cover your flight, it cover your 6 nights accommodation, it cover everywhere when I go to visit, that money cover.
You don't mean it.
I know we just for one night too. That's 7 days straight.
7.
So I don't need to the
money. That food I keep for Obiom, bring them. I give to Motell. Every manager. Thank you for the information. God bless you.
Okay, make it look. Let me say I come to beg go, but
you know what? Anyone in a bring her now. You know what? We go see her. Thank you very much. Yeah. God bless you. Get It To Me Travels. Who did knock again now? Who be that person? Or this?
Okay, wait now.
No, now you say you don't want.
No,
we'll go see.
Wait. Madam, come back. Wait. Before we go Qatar, beg. No, I really need that.
We'll go see.
I swear that neighbor.
How far OS? What's up?
Customer. How you doing?
Every good. You see the carry away for today. So I don't want to talk too much. More your quick package, may you be weather for 2. You know understand?
You know quick come. This guy don't already carry me.
Jesus.
Which kind of talk be that one? And they tell you more day together. They tell me say this guy don't book you. How much the guy get for account?
I know that stuff. You deaf, I be waiting. You don't hear what the guy they tell you since. Okay. This guy don't already carry. What's they worry you? I be a good to kill your pa.
How far lower your voice so you there where who you they talk to?
I know that stuff. Who you be?
Who I be?
Let's have it.
How far my lawyer boy?
Chairman.
Gist I about me.
How far upcoming a shower carrier? Now my chairman business me come up for vacation so for a hotel. And as it be like this, so he skin your food. He only acquire Kuba or 27 million naira. And only this Kuba and go fit carry 27 OS for Dubai. Change go remain. So my advice for you now, just remove on for this OS matter for peace to reign.
Oh boy, you were. What they worry you now? I be a good to kill you and your chairman. What you concern me because I Kuba 27 million naira? You dey feed me.
Jesus.
Who you Kuba don't help? Your chairman really get money as you talk and now my truck on your car.
How for a native man, why you the package that this should be baby? You can't force you don't pass my scan up on my 27 million Kuba. I be like, who can be a problem? Even if they don't say by carrying this my Kubaita cast and they go remove 27 GIK check go remain.
Jesus.
I not really blame Misha.
If you like, you go take go collect 27 private jet. That will not concern me. Now your head be that. But I don't be say they carry this girl they go out because before I come here, I do on things and I need to release some account.
I wish you not be poor man where they take this on this here because say one release Akamu. And for poor people, I don't want to talk too much. I don't want money for your pay. Leave your scroll for me. Skin food.
3 million.
Jesus.
Half hours. I bet you're deal with them.
I want to do something so you take. How you want to do them?
No worry. If I reach us, I'll do so.
No worry. If I reach us, I'll do so.
Jesus Christ. We see this fine girl. Tommy, we just console you at the come back now. You won't follow girl. Who do you go as first? Guy, this girl on my spec.
Shut up your mouth.
Wait, you are all like this.
I ugly die.
It is that girl who will follow you. The more you go as a big guy, if I die there, you gonna see a fine boy. You know what I get powder here. You gonna see a fine boy.
Devil has been waiting for you since to fail. And you just carry your destiny, give it to him, say, bros, do your thing.
You are still one more. 10 times ugly.
Jesus.
Don't. Jesus Christ. Guy. What did you just do now? Baba, this is my friend I told you about that wants to do the charm for his neighbor. My son, are you ready? Take this. It is already done. Go. Okay, now that powder with Baba give us, so now I rub on my face.
This young boy.
Man, seriously mad. How can you forget so soon?
Officer, me no be Yahoo boy, but I dey sell am for rice and beans, so I'm an boy just speak today.
Alpha Pablo.
Alpha officer.
You be cultist. What's this? You see person for Roger Barasa. Please stop this. Give me your phone. Give me your phone. You are talking to the officer of the law like that. Jesus! How you take that believe in the control Talanaza? Officer, please calm down. You can settle this in back of my car. Sergeant Kokobi, leave them up. No settle this matter for back of counter. Me? Celebrity?
Jesus.
4 million followers across all social media platforms. And you want to go back of counter? I go let you know say for this road. Now you minate Erica. Me and you go see who get fast today. Officer, I don't tell you for this matter now. Say they follow me everywhere. My fans they record me, they put for social media. Now I'm losing followers. Jesus! You the smoke in the presence of an officer. Hey, dangerous, the best of smoke Bessie for your country. This one a Bessie. I'm a Bessie they switch. You want lesson a Bessie switch? You go show me the cartel. Wait for the Porsche school. You want to tell me say you know they enjoy this one. Jesus, blood! Me not be your shop plug. Because you guard me. And I dash you 6 guns yesterday. Funniest part, you say I don't know this guy. Will you shut up? In fact, one of them, the go station. Build this man. How
much you want withdraw?
Let's 500k for us.
Lisa,
shut up, you know be my son.
I
10k for charges. Using many 5k play me in Jebu.
Hey, Nico!
Are you married?
Stand below, come let's go.
Wait a minute.
I order for you. Are you sure you are married?
Oh, yes, you order for a ride. Let's go.
Bet who is sitting at the back?
Oh, this one, that's my brother. I'm dropping him just here, then we'll go.
You drop him before you drop. You take me to my destination. Are you sure you are not kidnappers?
Kidnappers at this time. Oh, come on, come and sit in front. Let's go, come.
I should sit at the front so that you hold me for my neck.
He's even sitting behind me. He won't be behind you. Let's go. You have nothing to worry about.
You know what? I want to observe the boot. Who the boot?
Boot? There's nothing in the boot.
God, I see you upon us.
Observer.
Observe the boot. Are you a kidnapper? Send home. Let me prove yourself. Let me see. Why are you talking to me? God save me. Kidnappers.
This will be packaged. We just deliver them.
So if me we want to start your delivery business now. One chance.
My lord, not fear for down now. Everything will be better. If you bring the money, can I go city now and make money for city? I will can't remember you. I'm not coming for this village. Your package. Everywhere can go away now. Every young way, people not for this village now. Again, Shaboha. Will not come. Everyone need When you do one for me now, try to collect the money. Could you package it? Everything deal with Jesus.
Everything deal with you. You want to romance him. Romance? Wait. Ikata! Answer one more. Where we to a good way? Why we to a village? All the girls every who are in that community now. You that are sent to school. You want to be doing love. You want to let this man boy manipulate you with love. You're telling her to think of other money. So that you collect the money. Or even you collect it and shower abroad. Who left here? I know. You think I don't know? Who is that woman you were talking about with yesterday? That baby, I'm coming. You know I'm coming tomorrow. Who is that woman?
I love her.
You see? You are one now. You are not the one. You are not also. Okay.
I love her, man.
As smart as your father. Only think that you are very stupid and useless. Only think about that. Wait. I will not do anything. You show me here I'm not here. I'm going to follow your mother. I'll put up my body with you. I will scroll. You don't know.
God punish love. Love your mama if you hear me.
She was listening to him before. She was listening and she was enjoying the conversation because they don't catch you now. You just realize all of a sudden, say what you do no good. You're a bad person. She's a very bad person. Thank you guys. We've come to the end of this wonderful comedy compilation video. So guys, without further ado, we're going to see you guys in our next comedy compilation video. Stay tuned for more banger.